Listen, Valentine's Day is a week away, so I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should get your bae a drone for Valentine's Day. So number 1, they're just fun to learn. I've been flying drones for about 3 years, and I know in the beginning, you have a drone, it seems a little bit nerve-wracking, but once you get the hang of it, I can promise you, seeing the world from a different perspective, being able to use your visual line of sight and your hand controls, it's a really, really great skill to pick up. Number 2, it's a great excuse to get out the house. I know we're going on the 3rd March of this pandemic. We're not really sure if we're supposed to be in or out, but it is a great reason to get out the house, explore, see the world from a different perspective, see your neighborhood from a different perspective, and of course, learn how to take pictures and videos that you can share. And piggybacking off of number 2, it's a great excuse to travel. It's a great way to get up and get out the house, but if you want to travel and take a picture of your vacation or capture a memory, drones are going to be the best camera to allow you to do so. And of course, number 4, probably one of my favorite, but it's the storytelling aspect. So for me, I love reliving memories. I love going back in time and seeing when I was in Thailand or seeing when I was in Egypt or Morocco, wherever, South Africa, wherever I've been. So by having that drone and be able to capture that photo memory or tell that travel story with you and your bae, it's just a great way to relive those memories for years and years to come. And of course, number 5, it is a way to generate income. Now, of course, you have to get a license, the Part 107 license, to be able to take pictures or videos or sell them. But if you get that, it's a great way to earn some passive income on the weekends, whether you want to do real estate or surveying. There's so many things that you can do with your drone to make money. So what better gift to give your bae than a way to make money? All right, so those are my top 5 reasons why I think you should get your bae a drone for Valentine's Day. And of course, if you have a bae or not, drones are still a great creative tool to be able to tell your story. They're a great excuse to get out the house and travel. And of course, if you want to take it a step further, you can also generate some income from your drone. So everybody, go ahead and send this video to your bae if you want to give them a hint. And for everybody else, stay safe, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.